Hello Blenderly people, what's going on? In this video we are going to make this awesome VJ loop. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, open your Blender and after that just delete the default cube and click Shift A and add a torus. After this go in add to a section and change the major segment to 3 as we need a triangle look and this also to 3. And also change the measure radius to about 5 to make it bigger, or you can change as you want and get down this thickness to until it looks like a wire. Zero point 0.6 looks good and go in top view mode by pressing 7 and click on R key to rotate it by -90. So we get a triangle with the y axis as its medium. Add a array modifier and change the in relative section, change x to 0 and increase this by -50 as we need in downward direction. As you can see, they are in downward direction. Make this number about 500. It's good amount and now you can see we are getting result. Again go in top view mode and click again Shift A and click on mesh and add a UV sphere and scale this down about this and just move it like here and go in array modifier and also add go in modifier and also add array modifier to it and similarly change it to 0 and this time just make it change this to -1. After this just increase the number to about 1000 as our triangle are 500, so we need to increase them by 1000. So we are getting this infinite array spherical shape. Again go in top view mode and adjust the position if you want and just duplicate it and take this one here. Select your camera and press Ctrl Alt 0. Now here you can see we are getting this and we can see here the spheres are a little bit too off. So for making this, just go in sphere and change this to about -8 is good. Change to all of them. Our setup part is done. Now it's all the material. First of all, in our render properties, just click enable bloom ambient occlusion and in space reflection and go in world tab and take this to full black and after this go in your render view mode and first select your triangle loop and go in material tab, add a new material and click on emission shader and increase its value about 10 and change the color like this red and select your sphere and click on new material again and select emission and also increase their strength by 10 and change the color like this and just copy this material to all of them. Now just animate the camera, make sure you are in a default linear interpolation mode. Go in your first frame and select your camera and just press I and add a location keyframe. Go fully to 250 and press G. Your camera must be selected and click on Z and move your camera as much you want. Like this amount is good and then again press location keyframe. Now we can see we are getting this look, but it's in backward direction, so just change the keyframe position. Now we can see our camera is moving forward. Just change the speed by taking keyframe moving keyframe like this Now we are getting some awesome looks. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.